Hello everybody. So today we'll be discussing about class 9 heat, about some specific type of questions wherein you may face problems. This will not only help you in class 9th ICSE board, but this will definitely help you in class 11th also when you are going to study more details about heat and calorimetry, heat and thermometry and stuff. So I'll be taking up certain questions over here. So like the first question that I'm going to take up is, what is the unit of heat? So as we know, heat is a form of energy. So this will not have any other unit other than the unit of energy. So unit of heat is what is unit of heat? Unit of heat is joule. Okay, and joule can be also denoted as capital J. Now this unit is SI unit. So many of you must be thinking that this is already known to me, sir is teaching nothing new. Correct, you are correct. But whenever somebody asks you what is the CGS unit, then what do you say? If it was a question of work power energy chapter which you are going to study in class 10th, then it would have been a very easy question. But when it is coming to heat, when the things are starting to change to heat, many a times we misunderstand the question, and what we write? We write that the CGS unit of heat is calorie, and that will be the mistake. The CGS unit of heat will be arc. Okay? It will be arc. And how to relate these two units? 1 joule is equal to 10 to the power 7 arc. Okay guys, I hope everybody is clear with this stuff. Arc is an unit of energy which is a CGS unit, and this is same as you are going to do in class 10th also in the chapter called work power energy. You will study about joule and arc. You also will study about the interconversion between joule and arc, how it is done. I'll definitely show it to you. We are not going to leave anything unturned. So see, this is unit of energy, so this is basically work done. So what is work done? Work done is nothing but force into displacement. Okay, force unit is, everybody of us know, force unit is Newton and displacement unit is meter. Now this is in what? This is in, you will say this is SI. This is whatever you are doing is SI system, correct? Now what happens if we go for CGS system? So see, in CGS system, work is equal to, everybody will say F into S. Force unit is dyne centimeter. Now this dyne centimeter is nothing but it is called arc. Okay, now how I am going to convert this to? See, this Newton meter is nothing, it is called joule. So 1 Newton is equal to 10 to the power 5 dyne, that you already know in class 9, and 1 meter is equal to 10 to the power 2 centimeter. So we are getting, if you see, 10 to the power 7 dyne centimeter, which is nothing but arc. Clear? So this is how we are going to derive the total equation for this, or conversion between joule and arc. Clear? So I hope this thing is absolutely clear with all of you. Now what is calorie? Calorie is an old unit of heat. Nowadays also it is used. Calorie is very often used as a unit of heat. So what is it? 1 calorie, cal, it is written as cal. You can write total calorie also. 1 calorie is equal to 4.186 joule. Now here I have to tell you something. What? If I write this as 4.2 joule, then it will be marked as wrong answer. Why it will be marked as wrong answer? Many times, teachers only say you can write it approximately 4.2 joule. Yes, definitely you can write it approximately 4.2 joule, no problem. However, you cannot use it anytime. Many times it will be given in the question that use this conversion, then it is okay. If it is not given in the question, okay, if it is not given in the question, then also you can use 4.2 joule if it is a part of a total problem. You can use it in various numericals that 1 calorie is equal to 4.2 joule if it is a part of the whole problem. Okay. However, if it is asked what is the relation between calorie and joule, you have to write this one. Otherwise, it will be marked as wrong. Now, if anyone says you, I am talking about ICSE board, that how can you say that it will be marked as wrong? So, not only I will say you the reason, I will say you the exact reason why it will be marked as wrong. First of all, let me give you a very logical reason. Very often teachers don't say you one thing, that is go through the syllabus. So, I will give you a fair chance, spend your 5 minutes, go through the ICSE syllabus. It is given in cisce.org. Please download this from this website. Please download this. When you download this, you will see in the syllabus of heat chapter in physics, it is clearly written, this one. What is clearly written? This one. So, in syllabus only it is already said that this interconversion has to be studied like 1 calorie is equal to 4.186 joule. Who the hell are you to change it? We are no one. We have to follow certain things, and definitely it is correct because this is more correct, 4.186. By approximation you can write 4.2, but 4.186 is more correct. Okay. So, I hope my logic is clear to you. Okay. And also, as it is more correct, we should write this one. Clear? So, certain misconceptions are clarified, I guess. We'll go to the next page. We'll come to another temperature, another topic or another good numerical that was given in one of our question paper. That is, there is a temperature scale. There is a temperature. What is temperature scale? Like we know about Celsius, Kelvin, your Fahrenheit and all, those are called temperature scale. So, there it is said that there is a temperature scale, and the temperature scale is not Celsius or Fahrenheit. This temperature scale is X. This temperature scale name is X, and this temperature scale has, looks like a thermometer, right? So, this temperature scale has 250 divisions. So, if it is 0, it is 250. Okay, it is said. Also, it is said it has 250 divisions. I will write 250 divisions. Between what? Between boiling point and freezing point of water. Between boiling point and freezing point of water, it has 250 divisions. Okay. So, here there are divisions. So, like this it goes on 250 divisions. Okay. No problems. Next, what it is said, the scale starts from 50. That means the freezing point is 50. The scale starts from 50. Okay. And the boiling point is not said. However, if it starts from 50, after 250 division, it will be 300. So, it will be written as 300x. This will be written as 50x. If it was a Celsius scale, it would have been written as 0 Celsius, 100 degrees Celsius. So, I will draw a Celsius scale also over here. So, this is a Celsius scale, degree Celsius. Here it is 0 degree Celsius, and here it is 100 degrees Celsius, and here we have 100 division, 100 divisions. Okay, clear? Now, this temperature range is for again freezing point of water and boiling point of water. This thing that doesn't change. So I can easily say that in Celsius scale and this X scale, in Celsius scale where there is 100 division, in X scale there will be 250 division. Okay. Now what is it is asked? It is asked relate this scale X with the Celsius scale. So you must have studied one formula that is called C by 5 is equal to F minus 32 by 9. So that is also relation between Celsius and Fahrenheit scale. Now we are going to relate another scale which I have named as X with the Celsius scale, and how I am going to do it. So 100 divisions of Celsius scale is corresponding to X division of 250 division in X scale. Okay. Now suppose this is the temperature of water, let us say this is I am mentioning as X, okay, X, and the same water over here it is C. So how many divisions are we getting over here? So if this was 300 and this was 50, I got 250 division. How did I do it? 300 minus 50. Now it is X, it is 50. So how much division? It is X minus 50 division. So this X minus 50 division is corresponding to how many divisions? We will do unitary method. So this way it will come 100 by 250 into X minus 50. So I will try to simplify this. So this will come out to be 2 by 5 X minus 50. Clear? So this is what? This is my temperature in Celsius scale. However, temperature in Celsius scale I know it is C. So I will equate this with C. C will come out to be 2 by 5 X minus 50. So the formula will be like this. This is how we relate various scales. So now using this same fundamental, you can also relate C by 5 is equal to F minus 32 by 9. So that is why we say don't try to remember this formula. Try to derive this, understand this, how it is done. No larger world mathematics is required over here. Only simple unitary method is required. And why are we so much afraid of unitary method? And why are we so much afraid of unitary method when it comes to usage in various chemistry and physics problems? We are not afraid of unitary method in maths, if you see that, but we are very afraid when it is getting used in the physics and chemistry problems. Not everybody, but somebody of us. But we definitely need not be afraid of unitary method, because it is a very beautiful tool to solve many problems in the world. Definitely there are higher mathematics also, but however with this simple tool we can do many things. So we are also going to prove this. C by 5 is equal to F minus 32 by 9. Here there is a Celsius scale. It is starting with 0. It is 100. How many divisions? 100 divisions. So I am taking a bucket of water, putting this scale into it, and suppose the water is giving C as the reading. For Fahrenheit scale, what is going to happen? We are going to draw Fahrenheit scale like this. Fahrenheit scale starts with 32 and ends with 212. The same water should be having some reading in Fahrenheit scale also. Let us mark that as F. Okay. What is 32 Fahrenheit? 32 Fahrenheit is nothing but freezing point of water. What is 212 Fahrenheit? It is nothing but boiling point of water, this is also boiling point of water, this is also freezing point of water. So similarly I can say, when it is coming to Fahrenheit scale, what is happening? The total number of division is 180, whereas in Celsius scale it is 100. The temperature range is between freezing point and boiling point. So the temperature range is same, that the divisions are different. So 180 divisions in Fahrenheit scale is equivalent to 100 division in Celsius scale. Clear? Now, how many divisions? You will say C divisions. How many divisions? You will say F minus 32 divisions. So if I am getting 180, so one division will be 100 by 180. F minus 32 divisions will be 100 by 180 into F minus 32. Okay. So what it will be? 100 by 180, if you cancel it out, it will come out to be 5 by 9 F minus 32, and this will be equal to this temperature, because it is the same bucket of water which we have measured the temperature in different scales. So this will be C, and this is how you are going to get F minus 32 by 9 is equal to C by 5. Clear? So now our students can say that we know to derive, we are not going to remember things by heart, we are going to derive things. Okay, so that's how we are going to do it. So these were certain problems which I wanted to discuss with you guys. So if there is any doubt, just let me know. Other than that, normal heat and calorimetry is very easy in case of class 9th and 10th. Won't be a problem for you guys. All the other videos for heat is already there in our channel, so you can always see them for your understanding. And if there is something that that helps you to know us, or that will help us basically, if you can comment it out that maybe something else we can do, something maybe we have missed, so we'll be always happy to do that also for you guys. Okay. Thank you very much for each and every one of you for hearing this mathematical stuff. Thank you again.